Have you ever pondered on this question? Why does choosing the right coaching model matter so much? It's simple. The right model provides a structured path, offering guidance and clarity, while the wrong one can lead to confusion and inefficiency. It's like being the captain of a ship. Without a correct map, you're bound to lose your way. The right coaching model has the power to significantly influence your journey towards achieving your goals. The impact of your choice in a coaching model can be far-reaching, influencing not only your coaching style, but also the outcomes for those you coach. Now imagine you're at a crossroads with various coaching models to choose from. Each path leads to a different destination with its unique advantages and drawbacks. Let's start with the GROW model. This model is a crowd favorite for its simplicity and structure. It provides a straightforward framework to guide coaching conversations from goals to reality, options, and way forward. However, this model's strength could also be its downfall. The GROW model might not delve deep enough into personal reflection, which some individuals may need for significant growth. Next up is the OSCAR model, an acronym for Outcome, Situation, Choices, Actions, and Review. This model shines in its emphasis on outcome-focused coaching, which is excellent for goal-oriented individuals. However, its focus on the end result might cause it to overlook the journey or process, which can be equally important in personal development. Lastly, let's talk about the CLEAR model, which stands for Contracting, Listening, Exploring, Action, and Review. This model encourages a high level of self-awareness and personal responsibility, making it quite powerful. However, it may require a higher level of commitment, which could be a barrier for some. Each coaching model has its own strengths and weaknesses. It's about finding the right fit for your unique coaching needs. So take a moment, reflect on your own coaching needs and style, and see which model resonates best with you. Remember, the best coaching model is the one that works for you. Now that we've traversed these paths, it's time to revisit and summarize the key points of each coaching model. The directive coaching model, with its direct approach, is great for situations that require quick decision-making. On the other hand, it might not be the best fit when fostering personal growth and self-awareness are the goals. The non-directive model, with its emphasis on asking questions and guiding rather than telling, can be a powerful tool for personal development. However, it may not be the best fit in a time-critical scenario. The democratic coaching model values the input of the coachee, promoting a sense of ownership and responsibility. This model, while fostering engagement, might not be suitable in situations where firm guidance is required. The autocratic coaching model, while effective in achieving results quickly, might not foster long-term growth and self-reliance. Remember, the right coaching model is the one that aligns with your coaching philosophy, the needs of those you coach, and the goals you aim to achieve. Choose wisely, as your choice can make a world of difference.